Would you like your garden to feel more private? Well, you can. Here I've got a selection of fantastic new ideas and inspirations so that you can create at least one and probably two or more lovely private corners in your own garden, however small it is or however overlooked, whether you're in the town or the country. So let's go. It's Alexandra here from the Middlesized Garden YouTube channel, bringing you tips, ideas and inspiration for your garden from real gardens. Because you might think that a screen that has holes cut in it won't give you privacy because you can see through, but in fact it distracts the eye, and so it makes you much less aware of what's going on the other side. Of course, it's lighter, it creates beautiful patterns and shadows, and it's also a part of making your garden look special and different and individual. There'll be links to all the companies featured here in the description below. Another way to create a private corner in a small garden is to have a roof element with your screening, a pergola or gazebo with a screen on at least one side. The roof will make it private if you have upper windows overlooking your garden. And once again, even if the roof and the screen don't conceal everything, they're a distraction to the eye. You can use plants as screens. Here Jackson's Fencing have created a private dining spot in a garden with a double pergola with wires strung between the uprights and the growing boxes, so you could train climbers, vegetables or fruit trees up it. And also from Jackson's Fencing is this arrangement of two sides of a trellis and a pergola. You can create a quiet corner anywhere. You need to know what regulations apply to your property. In the UK, fences can only be 2 metres high, and in some places you can add trellis without getting planning permission, but in other places you have to ask the council for planning permission. Garden structures near boundaries can be no higher than 2.5 metres and 4 metres if they're away from the boundary. Here is a clever design by Langley Garden Design where the roof slopes away from the neighbours, giving them more sun but obscuring the houses behind and giving complete privacy to people underneath this. There's a path behind this structure so it doesn't go right up to the boundary wall. And this is also by Langley Garden Designs with a tie theme, and it's lower and therefore also complies to regulations, but it's a wonderfully private spot in a very tiny urban garden. If you have a slope, or even if you don't, then digging down your seating gives you more privacy, and then you'll only need quite low screens. Here, this seating area by Pergolas for Yardley at the Ascot Garden Show drops the seating area below a terrace. The Middlesized Garden uploads every week, and we do garden visits to private gardens you might not otherwise see. We have interviews with experts and we have tips. So please do subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see. And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up because that means that I'll know that you want to see more of this sort of thing. Thank you so much. Goodbye.